Welcome to Sai Tech Info channel, my dear students. In today's tutorial, we'll be discussing about halogen family. When we consider this term, halogen, halo means salt, gen, to generate, to form, to be born, that is salt forming, salt producing group. So under this, we'll be discussing these concepts: occurrence, electronic configuration, atomic and ionic radii, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, physical properties and chemical properties. Then we will be specializing some compounds like chlorine, hydrogen chloride, oxo acids of halogen and interhalogen compounds. Let us consider the halogen, that is the group 17 member. The members are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. As I already discussed, they are all salt producing group. They are highly reactive and they are non-metallic elements. All these elements, particularly belonging to this group 17, they have great similarity among themselves. That is the speciality of halogen. Then, when we look at the physical and chemical properties, you can observe regular gradation. Among these, astatine that occupies the last position in the group 17. So it is a radioactive. Fluorine is having a lot of ores as that is available in the soils, then in plants, in some marine plants, etc. When we look at the fluorine particularly, it is available as fluorspar. That is, it is one of the insoluble fluorides. Calcium fluoride. Fluorspar is nothing but fluorspar, calcium fluoride. Then cryolite, that is sodium aluminum fluoride, hexafluoride, Na3Al(F6). Fluorapatite. So these are all the apatite family, apatite groups, fluorapatite. And then in seawater, it is available as chlorides, bromides, iodides of sodium, mainly sodium, then potassium, magnesium and calcium. Carnallite is nothing but potassium chloride. It is a mixed double salt actually, potassium chloride and magnesium chloride. So we used to say chlorides of potassium and magnesium with hexahydrate with 6 molecules of water. And then when we look at the electronic configuration of this halogen family, it would be very easy for you to write all these things. Let me explain one by one. See, that is we know fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and then astatine. So these are the elements. Let us look at the atomic number 9, add 8, 17 plus 18, 35 and 35 plus 18 you can have 53, then 53 plus 32, that is 85. So likewise you can easily arrive at the electronic configuration, particularly Z atomic number. Then look at the closest to inert gas, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. These are the closest electronic configuration. Helium 2, neon 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 18, that is 28, 10 plus 8, 18, then 18 plus 18, 36, then 36 plus 18, 54. So these are the inert gas configuration. You have to subtract. For instance, 9 minus 2, you have to work out for 7. So 2s2, 2p, 5. Similarly, 17 minus 10, the difference is 7, so 3s to 3p5. And the 35 minus 18, that gives 17. So you have to include 3d10 here. So 4s to 4p5. Do you understand? And similarly, you can write that is 53 minus 36. So you can account for 3d10, 5s to 5p5. Likewise, for xenon, 54 you know, so 85 minus 54. So 4f14, 5d10, then 6s2 and 6p5. So you can observe 7 electrons in the outermost electronic configuration in all these elements. Okay.